Beautiful, isn't it? I have few tips for you to decorate your living room for Eid. But first, let's pick up some new decorations. Let's go together. See how the arrows make it very easy to shop here? I love it. Now we're back at the Majlis. The first step is you can pick up a new candles, and these candles are perfect for Eid. For empty corners, you can break the blank space by hanging vertical items like these lamps over here. Flowers are beautiful on a vase, but they can even pop out some more with these lighted lamps. Ramadan Kareem from IKEA.